Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to convert to a charcoal grill. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to convert to a charcoal grill is www.roadfood.com. Specifically the page titled Converting Old Propane Grill to Charcoal, roadfood.com. Here's the link. You can also try lifehacker.com, especially the page Convert Your Charcoal Grill to Gas, Lifehacker. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.doityourself.com. The web page How to Convert a Gas Barbecue to Burn Charcoal. This is the link.